Welcome back everyone. iOS 13.5.1 came out yesterday and I would 100% recommend a majority of people not installing this specific update, and it really all comes down to jailbreaking. If you care about jailbreaking, obviously do not update to 13.5.1. If you do care about jailbreaking, then 100% stay where you're at, and the reason being is because of this specific app right here. Now on a device like an iPhone 11, if you're on iOS 13.5, there's only really one way to jailbreak, and that's using the uncover method. We don't have the methods like checkra and all that stuff. We only have the uncover method as of right now. So as you can see, mine's obviously not working, but I was able to get Cydia. I was able to get a ton of these other apps, including the App Valley, which is cool, Rep Revision, all these other ones too. Obviously these are just apps from the App Store, and I would not be able to install those if I still had iOS 13.5.1 on my device. Now on this one I'm still running 13.5, but on my iPhone 6s and those phones I'm running iOS 13.5.1, and the reason being is because first of all I have to do the comparisons, but second of all, those can be jailbroken with the checkra jailbreak. Those have the option of being either the uncovered jailbreak or the checkra jailbreak. With this specific device, we only have the one option. We only have the uncovered jailbreak. So the specific devices I would 100% recommend you guys not to update to 13.5.1 on if you want to maintain your jailbreak, or the iPhone XS, XR, XS Max, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and the iPhone SE 2020, and the iPads that have over the Apple A11 chip. Whichever iPads and iPhones you own that have those chipsets over that, you do not want to go and update to 13.5.1. You're going to risk losing your jailbreak, you're going to risk losing a lot of other things for no reason. And 13.5.1 is really just a super small update coming from 13.5. It's a very small update, no features, nothing like that were added, no battery improvements. It's really just a security bug fix, strictly just for the jailbreaking as far as I know. Everything else is almost exactly the same. It just adds the checkra jailbreak. It just adds basically, a block and a firewall from you and the uncovered jailbreak, if that makes any sense. So I still don't know why Apple freaks out so much about jailbreaking. It's really not that big of a deal, you know what I mean? Like, just live and let learn. There's other things to focus on, but I guess it is what it is at the end of the day. But that's really pretty much it. Do not install 13.5.1 if you want to maintain your jailbreak. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, man.